Take 3. Um, like I tried to say at least was I made a big mess. I tried to hit the pause button and I hit the square. The square means I'm done. The pause means pause. So let's clean this up. Clean up with me, I guess. But it is working. Oh my god. I can't believe I made a mess. I mean, oh, sorry. Let's just make some more. Not time to laugh. Not time to laugh. Not time to laugh. Time to fold it and make it and fold it and make it. Make way more than I thought I was gonna make. Yeah, more. There's literally plastic in there. I don't like that. So they're not sticking together. That's how good it is. It's working. Yeah. Oh, this is take 3. The other one was 6. No, like 30 minutes long. This one might only be a bit long. Bit short. Bit short, I mean a lot shorter. But I mean. Boy, it's working! I made it! Yay! I made it! Woohoo! 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 Don't mind me! Don't mind me! Don't mind me! Bit more. Look, I made it. Yes, this is my first time ever making cloud slime. Oh yeah, it's called cloud slime. Cloud slime, if I didn't want to say that. It's gonna need a bit more, I can say that. You'll probably like a bit more what? It's in my mouth. Ew, 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 I can taste it. Ew. It doesn't taste good. It's out. It took me like 5 minutes to get out. Okay. Like I was saying, I made it. I've never made this slime. Oh my gosh. It takes like 2 hours to make, so like, I would recommend it, but I also wouldn't because it takes like an hour or 5 or 10 or however big your slime is. After 2 hours, I made it. Ooh. So I made like a video over here. as you can see, it's not that stretchy. It's very annoying, and it's very sticky. Let me just, not like that kind of sticky, like bubbles sticky. Like, yeah, ew. You can hear it, kind of. Ew, but that was disgusting. Alright, that is done. Now it's time to mix it all up. I'm literally just surprised by this. I've never, ever made it in my life. Okay. This took me 2.5 hours. So, would, but wouldn't. Because it takes a long time, I wouldn't. But would, because it's so fun. Recommend. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put this staff flow. Okay, that. I couldn't say it. It doesn't crunch, but it is really fun to make. Wood, but also I wouldn't like this shit. She's coming. I think it still needs more snow though. Yeah, I kind of spilt it. Sorry guys. My sister, plus I needed a lot of water. Not for the slime. Don't came out my mouth.
Grace, I'm gonna do challenge.
Dakota, it's bigger than my hand.
Grace,
how am I gonna fit it in this?
Container? This is the only container I have. See, I'm gonna say, run all around. Try and get my bowl all the way back up the stairs, and then I can stop. All right, move out the way, please.
You have to go around there. You have to go around.
No.
There. Yes. Sorry about my annoying sister. And my throat. 1 sec. Sorry. I got water because my throat, it hurts. Not really my throat, it's kind of my stomach. Totally because oh my gosh, wait, so I got a Visa card for like Christmas and everything. I don't think the Visa card was from Santa or any of them. So I think it was for like my birthday, like 2 years ago or something. No, my whatever expired. I just ate a raisin because I'm pretty sure raisins are healthy-ish. It's really so fluffy. I never thought I'd make this in my life. While saying that, I never thought I would, not say it. You're probably like, oh, now say it. I'm not saying it. No, not at all. Nahi, nahi, nahi. You're probably like, really nice. I'm always nice. I think my siblings don't. Oh yeah, I'm Grace, by the way. I'm not Dakota, I'm Grace. Dakota is my sister that I just turned 2. Sorry, I'm cleaning up over here. Yeah, you probably don't see me much. Now you know. You know what? I might as well just put the rest of this in there. Come with me to get some more water. Yay! There's gonna be stuff all over. There's gonna be something all over. Travel with me. Yay. I don't think anybody will talk me off them. Also. You're facing that way though. Sink is right over here, so like, yeah. Oh yeah, this is like, yeah, if you can't see that. Guys, look. It grows. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna mix it. At least I'm gonna try at least. I don't know if you guys can see it growing or not. Face the washer. Yeah, it's not zoomed in or anything. So like that. My sister's making cookies. You're probably like, why aren't you joining her? And all that. You're gonna keep all eyes on there. Alrighty, I've made. And I'm placing you guys down. See, it's not that stretchy anymore. Okay, that part is, but the rest isn't. Like, yeah. They're probably like, ooh, where are you going? I didn't mean to make this much, really. I really didn't. I was planning on making less, but yeah. I was planning on making a smaller slime. I didn't know it would be this big. Yeah, strawberries. It was calling my name, I'm sorry. It was calling clean my mess up. Oh my gosh, wait, no, I think it has too much. Wait, no, it can never have too much. It's cotton, it can never have too much. Like strawberries. Oh no. Because that is copyright. So I'm not gonna sing that. Stop singing it. Stop singing it. I have to stop singing it if I'm gonna make a video. Oh my god! I've made it! The hole needs to be bigger. The rest of this one. Oh yeah, like I was saying, you're probably like, oh, why aren't you doing it with her, huh? Sisters are supposed to do everything. No. Oh, everything. Yes. But be about it, because I've been raised good and not being a baddie and talking about my sister. Totally not talking about my sister right now. Oh wait. Oh, I'm dumb. I could have just done this. I'd be dumb though. We won't be needing this anymore. It gonna go in no spot. No. It's gonna go in the spot that I don't need. Yes, that's what I meant. It's cold. Sorry, TikTok. I feel like our TikTok account's gonna get banned. Oh yeah, we practically share everything except for clothes since I'm a bigger size. I'm not gonna talk about that. It's stretchy again. It doesn't crack at all. That's the thing. That's the sad thing. But that's fine. As long as I get sound, it's fine. You guys like my smile? Or should I do? No, I look creepy. I'm not doing that. Never mind. As I might have not said. As I might have said, actually. Maybe not in this take 3, but like, yeah. I already started this and everything. So, yeah. I'm gonna make 2 signs even though this one's taking like an hour practically. Okay, no, it's only been like 19 minutes. 19, not 90, 19. Wrong way, I wasn't supposed to do it like that. But I'm dumb, so I did it like that. In the summertime, we're probably... Oh yeah, we have a huge backyard. Like, a huge... Oh, sorry. Our backyard is bad. Back there, I'm pretty sure. You just don't walk out and see the backyard. Yeah, there's no window there. It's like a old table. It's on the other side of the wall, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I'm just being dumb. Oh no, it is. Oh, pretty good. Because there's a window right there and a window right there. Kind of. I can barely see it right now, though. But there is. I promise you there is. You are like, why do you keep adding it if it's already? My sister said it might need more if you didn't hear her. It's really so soft. I wish you could feel it. It's actually not sticky at all anymore. So that's a good thing. So I can now go woo, 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 woo. Oh no, jeez. But while I was doing this, I did 2 takes, and those were bad because I kept hitting the square instead of the pause. So, the first one, I didn't actually mean to do that. That was good, so like I did it, so like yeah. And then I realized I didn't say subscribe, turn on those post notifications. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and like this video. Turn on those post notifications, subscribe, like this video if you want to. But please subscribe. We only have like 6. I know I'm too old for that. You know, I should be on famous birthdays. I have a TikTok account. I have all that stuff I need. I don't have Instagram because I'm not allowed. I don't have Snapchat because I'm not allowed. I don't have Facebook because I'm not allowed. Yeah, I'm kind of strict. Look, it's making it fluffier since I'm doing this. Yeah, we moved. So, I may have done a video on the old recent. Look, it's all webby. That's good. Water. Sorry, I have stuff in my throat and I don't like it. Actually, I do like it because it's cookie, but like, yeah, it's like coming up as like. If you guys don't know what that means, it means throw up. I'm not going to throw up because I don't want to throw up because I hate the taste, but it's stuck in my throat. So when I go, or burp, it happens. I might just gotta let it out. I just have to. But I don't want to let it out. Let it. Garbage. Save that for another time, but these are garbage. This one's not. This one's. Oh no, I took a huge chunk because of some glue on this, but that's good because it needs to be a bit stiffer. Like it's not even fluffy, but. Say where I live because that's dumb and I'm not kidnapped. For where I live, the time is 3:22. I'm not gonna say where. I'm not gonna say where. What state? What city? Okay, we don't need these vlogs anymore. I'm back. I just gotta find a container. You know, this could probably not dry out. Technically already dried out, so like, yeah. We've almost, no, not even close to almost lived here for a year. a year on October 10th. Well, no, I'm gonna say 11th because, yeah. Oh, sorry, we've been taking a break from, like, YouTube and everything. Just had some sadness, depression. I had it. I was really sad lately. That's why I haven't been posting lately. I don't know about my sister. We're supposed to be a team at doing this. But really, we're not. At least not anymore. Look at it. It's literally so cool. Don't you guys think so too? Here, I'll do it closer. Oh no! It looks like an orange waterfall. I love it. Good! That was my mom, so I yelled, good, good, good. She doesn't know I'm making a video, so that might have been embarrassing for me. But it was embarrassing. But yeah, so this will be it for today's video. Like I said in the middle, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, please. I know, I'm begging you. I was about to say it's my dream job. No, that's not my dream job. I'm not trying to beg people. That's my dream job. I have an idea. I'm gonna drink the rest of this water. I'm gonna put in this bottle. You're probably, what? No, I'm gonna put it in this bottle. If you really can't split, so good, yeah. Okay. Amazon's here, yay! Get as much as I can in here. I'm literally pinching it to get it in. Like, yeah, that's how much I want it in. Oh wait, making my neck look. No, it's not because I'm sick. It's not sick. It's not sick. Yeah, because you didn't order it yet. One set off. Done. Like I said. Two set off. Let me do the rest of this. Did you forget to end it? Oh my, I forgot to end it. Well,